Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Goat. Today we're going to be trying out Shine Armor's Graphene Ceramic Spray. Alright guys, so I am honestly pretty excited about this. I have never tried any of Shine Armor's stuff before, but they very nicely of them sent this to me, and we're gonna go ahead and give them an honest review on this. So first of all, I got the Subi behind me here. I'm going to wash it all down, dry it off, and then I will explain this a little bit more to you guys. Alright guys, so now that the car is freshly clean and dried down, we're gonna go ahead and grab the ceramic spray and give it a go. Alright guys, so Shine Armor also provided me with 2 microfiber towels, which are gonna come in handy here. Alright, first step with the ceramic spray, spraying it onto the microfiber towel. We're also gonna give it a little dusting on here. It does not say you need to do that, but I've seen other people do it, so I figured I might as well. We are going to wipe the product onto the paint and cover the full surface. I'm going to do 1 panel at a time. And then finally, after allowing the product to sit for 1 to 2 minutes, you're going to buff to a high polish with another microfiber towel, which I will be using the second one that they sent me. Alright guys, so while I finish spraying down the rest of the car, I'm going to go ahead and go over the features of this with you guys, just so you know exactly what it's going to do for you. Alright, so first off, this stuff is going to help protect against water spotting. I don't know about you, but I cannot stand having water spots all over my car. It can make it go from looking good to looking terrible for no reason. It's also going to work to protect against bugs, sap, droppings, you know, anything like that that can get onto your paint and mess it up. I know I have a problem with that, with bugs on my front bumper, so this will be a true test of this stuff if it really helps with that. It's also going to give you that nice protective layer on your paint, making it less prone to scratches while washing. It's also going to give you more depth and clarity, make that paint just really shine. And an added bonus, it's easy to apply. And boy is it. I am honestly impressed. I don't have the best lighting out here right now, but I think she looks good. Wow. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Shine armor. I like it. I will say honestly, I am not one that likes to spend a whole bunch of time cleaning and detailing my car, which is one thing that I love about this, because it was, you know, literally as simple as wash the car, dried it off, and then a couple microfiber towels, and I spray this on and wipe it off. Simple. So everybody, if you are interested in trying out Shine Armor's Graphene Ceramic Spray or any of their other products, when you head to their site, make sure to use my discount code DRGOAT20 so you can get 20% off of your order. Other than that, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions or comments. And as always, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.